the animal on the other side.
Look, they're giving a food.
Oh, nice. I would want some of this. Some foot massage. Wouldn't mind. The first time we came, we stopped here and they gave us this second dessert with some super green.
Second breakfast.
Oh yeah, breakfast. So we had this, but then they changed it. Became kind of a now restaurant. Typical. Now it's called just Lido. Lido.
It changes owners all the time. Changes names all the time. No, it's called Palapas. I can only imagine it must be very hot there because all these windows that closes off there.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope that you get some.
Which must be so hot.
Medio.
Eyes on the burger. Not be walking around.
Look at that. She's her head's covered in her hands.
Running up this.
This is not finished yet.
They were getting the Parisi again.
Probably somewhere. Unless it is not the season, actually. So it's there. Black one. Oh, I may have changed some settings. You change it back. But if you want to get it right, you can put on AV and try the same thing. Yeah. It's there. It's there. You see that one? There's one there. Just there.
It's going to.
Yes, that's what I did.
since 100. Since 5 years.
Nothing interesting there.
I like this statue.
You have to put the lens through the hole. That's what you want. That's what you want. But it's taking too long. I see some curtains, but there are some numbers.
You just have to clean up this thing and put something more beautiful.
Yeah, you wonder.
Because I never planned to do that. Maybe they don't care. Because they're not impacted by this.
At the ladies there.
Now I'll take a picture of her too, but I need to be...
My eyesight, when I discovered the other side of
See the shiny black rose?
which one?
The shiny black tiny lava rock.
You can go get it if you want. But you just have to walk in the sun.
Not today, people see it mostly. It's probably better than
Oh, yeah.
motorcycle. Look. Amazing, huh? BMW.
Okay. Not what I would dream of.
I think for the flowers, we're kind of a month too late.
Well, I'm not here for the flowers. Don't know about you, but I'm here for the sun.
You want to go to Baraka?
Any place you can sit and have a drink, it's fine. It's too hot to... Am I not carrying the bottle?
But I think okay, I'll go there and
Oh. Go this way.
Right.
Thai, good rice, good valley.
Like some Thai drinks.
They start to clean this up here, huh?
Huh?
Very
Yeah, because then it can make this place more.
attractive.
So it's kind of like
I think what the problem with them is that they are so gonna sit in the basement. Variety of plants.
You have to keep walking. Unless you want to go to the one that on the lake.
Like this.
We think he's still filming.
You buy glasses, boss? Where are you from?
I'm from everywhere.
Very nice. You know how much?
How much?
What you want? Nope.
I need something bigger for my
Big something. Come here in the sun.
Huh?
Come here in the. I show you big one. Yeah. We from England.
He wants wide.
Yeah, no problem. I have here.
The shade.
Yes.
Your shade.
Come here.
Why would you? Oh, shit, wait.
He wants everybody to see.
I have brown color. I have black.
Hola.
Yes, no.
She always decides.
Wider.